His grace, impossible or dead, of old age too, and in his bed. And could that mighty warrior fall, and so inglorious after all? Well, since he's gone, no matter how, the last loud trump must wake him now. And trust me, as the noise grows stronger, he'd wish to sleep a little longer. And could he be indeed so old, as by the newspapers we're told? 70, I think, is pretty high. 'Twas time in conscience he should die. This world he cumbered long enough, he burnt his candle to the snuff. And that's the reason some folks think he left behind so great a stink. Behold, his funeral appears, no widow's sighs, no orphan's tears, won't at such times each heart to pierce a tender progress of his hearse. But what of that his friends may say, he had those honors in his day. True to his profit and his pride, he made them weep before he died. Come hither all ye empty things, ye bubbles raised by breath of kings, who float upon the tide of state. Come hither and behold your fate. Let pride be taught by this rebuke, how very mean a thing's a Duke. From all his ill-got honors flung, turn to that dirt from whence he sprung.